Welcome to Kids Library. Let's learn 2D shapes. Which object is square? B. Television. Television is square shape. Which object is rectangle? It's chocolate. Which object is triangle? Yes, it's hat. Which object is circle? It's clock. Which object is ellipse? It's egg. Great job. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe for more fun learning videos.